Goa Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant detected COVID-19 positive. Dr. Pramod Sawant is asymptomatic and hence have opted for home isolation. CM will work from home and also advise people who have come in his close contact to take necessary precautions. CM Dr. Pramod Sawant took to social media and said the following. I wish to inform all that I have been detected COVID-19 positive. I am asymptomatic and hence have opted for home isolation. I shall continue to discharge my duties working from home. Those who have come in my close contact, I advise to take necessary precautions. On 1st September 2020, 588 new positive cases were reported in Goa on 1st September 2020. According to Health Bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services on 1st September 2020, 273 people recovered. Total confirmed cases in the states are 18,006. Total active cases in the state stands at 3,962. Total recovered cases stands at 13,850. Total 194 deaths are reported till September 1st, 2020. 70 years male from Pernam admitted at Goa Medical College and Hospital with comorbid conditions expired on 1st September 2020. 70 years male from Gogul Margao admitted at ESI Hospital with comorbid conditions expired on 31st August 2020. Out of 3,762 samples tested, 2,683 are negative, 588 are positive, 491 reports awaited. At present, patient in isolation wards are 115. At present, people quarantined in various residences, hotels are 26 as per media bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services on 1st September 2020. Breakup of total 3,962 active positive cases are as follows. North Goa Community Health Center, CSC Picholim 88, CSC Sakre 203, CSC Pernam 141, CSC Valpai 113, Urban Health Center, USC Mapsa 185, USC Panki 156, Primary Health Center, PSC Aldona 87, PSC Betki 119, PSC Kandolem 78, PSC Kansarvarnam 29, PSC Korwai 115, PSC Kolem 132, PSC Chembal 114, PSC Shiolem 98, PSC Porvorem 182, PSC Mayam 51, Travelers by Road Flight Train 10. South Goa Community Health Center, CSC Kurchorim 106, CSC Kankona 85, Urban Health Center, USC Marga 433, USC Vasco 253, Primary Health Center, PSC Bali 72, PSC Kansavlem 118, PSC Chinchanem 37, PSC Kortalim 85, PSC Kurtorim 78, PSC Lutolem 72, PSC Marsam 22, PSC Kapam 121, PSC Sangam 50, PSC Shiroda 69, PSC Darbandara 61, PSC Ponda 300, PSC Navilem 99. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.